Welcome to Neurospark 2, the ultimate MCQ challenge in nervous system physiology. Brought to you by the EasyPhysio ResearchPro team, where science meets clarity. Get ready to fire up your neurons as we dive into 15 clinical, conceptual, and competitive MCQs. Pause the video, read the question and answer carefully. Like, share, comment your answers, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Let's kickstart with a classic. Do you know which neurotransmitter rules at the postganglionic sympathetic nerve endings? Hint: it's your fight or flight fuel. The brain isn't always firing, sometimes it's braking. Which neurotransmitter puts the brakes on excessive neuronal firing in the CNS? Choose wisely. CSF cushions your brain and nourishes it. But do you know which cell type is the unsung hero producing this fluid in your ventricles? Muscles too loose or too stiff? This question separates upper motor neuron knowledge from lower motor neuron understanding. Not everything gets into your brain, thankfully. Which cell forms the critical barrier shielding your CNS from toxins? Here's your energy booster. Which neurotransmitter sparks your brain into action? Which lobe helps you see this slide? Let's test your cortical map. 7 cervical vertebrae, but how many cervical nerves? Here's a trick question every med student must know. Half your face suddenly loses control. What's going on? Let's dissect the step-by-step pathology of Bell's palsy. Muscle aches aren't always simple. Which features truly define myalgia? Your knee jerks when tapped, but what's the neural choreography behind it? Decode the spinal reflex arc. From thought to movement, synapse to muscle, this receptor makes it happen. Name it to claim it. Too much acetylcholine equals muscle overload. Understand the domino effect when this enzyme gets blocked. Where does your brain decide to move? Locate the lobe, locate the command center. Depolarize, repolarize, hyperpolarize. Your neurons are electric dynamos. Can you sequence the storm? Bravo! You've completed Neurospark 2. Post your answers in the comments. Once we hit 25 unique attempts, we reveal the answers. Push pin like, share with your batchmates, and subscribe to EasyPhysio ResearchPro for more brilliant learning moments.